I shouldn't even have to say nothing today. I mean, what a mess. Just looking at this chart behind me says enough. This market is ridiculous. I am telling you what. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love trading momentum. I like getting in a trade and it just go in your direction and you not be in drawdown. None, but this stuff. I mean, even look right here at pre-market. I mean, that is crazy candles for pre-market, but I don't even really know what to say. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to go over my total profit and loss. Again, like always, some mistakes I have made, things that I have got to work on better in 2026. So yeah, we will go ahead and get into it. But first off, before we get into this, I want to go over something real fast. Totally off topic here, but hey, look at this right here. These are two videos that my son made, and as you can see, this video here was 7 months ago. He's got 76,000 views. This is his recent video from 5 days ago, and he is already up to 7.3 thousand. I mean, I am proud of him. I mean, I showed him a little bit in the beginning, but he has learned most of that himself. Editing videos, he's learned it pretty much all himself, and now, you know, he's got into doing these on these 5 nights at Freddy figurines. They're doing upgrades, customizations, and he has got into doing all that, working with his hands some. And, you know, he asked me to show him how to use the Dremel and stuff. But hey, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of him. I mean, that is a pretty good accomplishment, I think. And we got a visitor. You can see right here. You're gonna look in the camera and say, "Hey, buddy." He's climbing all over. Crazy cat. You can't get up here, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm in the middle of something here, if you can't tell. But anyways, you know, here I am out here struggling just to get 50 views. And my boy here just blew me plumb out of the water. So I guess what I am learning from that is, I guess when I am doing my videos on trading, we are going to start talking about dinosaurs and 5 nuts at Freddy's. But anyways, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to him. Just, you know, I mean, I think that's a pretty good accomplishment, just to learn it pretty much yourself. But we will go ahead and get back into today's video. Again, I mean, this chart says enough right there. Opening range was almost 200 points. We pushed up and it could not get through VWAP, and we failed. Then we sold off 400 points. I mean, this is just massive candles, massive chop. It's hard to trade. Again, I love trading momentum. But hey, this is just craziness right here. I ain't seen it like this since the tariffs. So we will go over my profit and loss for today. And also I'll go over this accounts dashboard. I'll show you a few things. I do have 3 accounts up here that are red. Now 2 of them, buddy, you're gonna have to give me a minute. I say it because you can see the balance, or my profit and loss for today is 0. I come over here, I set my loss for today at 0. You can change these. You can come in here and change it to whatever you want, you know. But that way, I requested a payout on those 2 accounts last night. That way, when I am rotating through my accounts, I don't accidentally trade those. So I go ahead and turn them red. So when I open this up and I start, you know, just rotating to my accounts, that I don't pick one of those and trade it and mess up my payout. Now, another thing that I want to talk about is this eval right here. Hey, I'm going to tell you something. I traded these yesterday and I thought that eval was blew up. Well, I logged in this morning and it was showing I still had 1 eval, and I only had like $200 in drawdown. And I thought, I wonder if I can bring that sucker back. You know, I mean, that is crazy. Being down, you know, $2,300, and, you know, try to bring that sucker back. So I started out with micros this morning. When I was trading right out of the open. I mean, I did not wait for the 5-minute range or nothing. I thought, it's eval, 19 bucks, why not? So I started out with micros and got my buffer up to about 600 bucks. So I swapped to minis. Hey, I give this account 110%. I was dedicated to it, and I was only trading 3 minis, and I brought this sucker back. I ended up making 57.65 on it today, and I ended up passing it. My end of bounce was 53.198. And again, I mean, if I could do that every day with every account, hey, I'd be in Bahamas right now, you know, with my feet in the water. But I just can't do it. And then coming down here, the only really red account I have today. Yep, I done some idiotic stuff and ended up blowing this account, and It stinks because it had a higher value. I think I had about $1,500 in profit in it, something like that. And you know what? I ended up losing it just being stupid. We will go over that here in just a second. But again, like, you know, you can just change this, your profit. If I change it back to $200, like the rest of them, you know, it's just, I didn't trade it today. But starting out of the day, it's all the same color, so I'll just turn them red. That way I do not, you know, mess up my payout on them, because I do not want to trade them until they approve my payout. I learned that the hard way. And again, I like this add-on. It is from Affordable Indicators. It is the accounts dashboard. It is a trade copier and risk manager all in one. You can do a lot of stuff with this tool, and I think it's extremely helpful. But yeah, getting into today's chart, hey, let's start out. Let's look at a 1 hour chart real quick. I changed my trend line a little bit, and hey, I'm telling you what, we got down today. We got down to about 24,540. I mean, if we fail this, I mean, we're coming back down into here, 24,400s. This down here is my next area of interest, and it is about 24,350, 360, somewhere around that area. But yeah, I mean, tomorrow could be another sell-off day too, because if you look on the, you know, right here, we're making a bear flag. What did I hit? I mean, we're making a bear flag. If you draw you a line, I mean, it's making a bear flag. So if it fails this, I mean, it could flush. I don't know if there's any earnings coming out tomorrow or not. I hadn't looked. So, or I don't know what comes out today after close. I mean, that may be another make it and break it kind of situation. It may flush its market and then go on down. I mean, today, as in my trading style, I traded a lot of color changes. And what I mean by that is, like right here, when the candle overtakes the previous color candle, you know, like you got green, red, green, red, green. When we finally push through the bodies of these candles, I would enter a trade. On the account that I lost today, I ended up losing it right here. I was trading a little larger than I should have been, but I mean, I just kept trading the momentum to the downside. I was pretty sure that we was going to, you know, try to test the low of the day at that time, but I mean, it just kept wicking me out. I would get in a trade, no more than I would get in it, it would shoot up and it would get me out, and then it would drop. And like I said before, I done that 2 or 3 times, and that was enough, you know, to mess the account up. Again, that was a mistake. I should have took, you know, the losing trade and been done with it. But I mean, I was confident that that market was going to flush on down to the low of the day. And it did. I was right, but these candles are so big that it just chopped me up before it got down there. Again, as soon as I would enter a trade, it would turn around. I would be in profit for a second, and it would go right back against me. If you was watching the market this morning, you know exactly what I was talking about, because them candles was just weepy. I think the ATR at one time was like 44 or something. It's ridiculous. And that is hard to trade. You got to be on the right side of the trade every time, because if you are on the wrong side, it will clean you out. But I mean, again, I lost one account today, but I gained one. I passed a eval that I thought I blew yesterday, and that was a miracle in itself, you know, bringing it back with only $200 of drawdown left. So I am still at 15 accounts with Apex. Other than that, all my profit today was good. It was pretty much all of them's over $200, and I mean, that is what I would like to do every day. I don't know what tomorrow will hold in this market, what will happen overnight, but I am sure it is going to be a crazy day. Again, I can't say this enough. If you are new and just starting out trying to learn this, right now is a hard time. The market ain't closed yet, but as you can see, we're still moving, but it's slowed down a whole lot compared to what it was. So I guess we will see what tomorrow holds. Have you all seen, I don't know if it's on Netflix or Amazon Prime or what it's on, but it's that documentary showing that guy, you know, free climbing the side of that, 150-story scraper or whatever. Just watching that gives me, you know, just terrible anxiety. Well, you know, this market gives me that exact same feeling, because it is just mind-blowing at how crazy it is and how volatile it is right now. But hey, if you don't care, hit that like and subscribe button. Again, it just helps support the channel. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see what tomorrow does.